हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग सीबीएसई में प्रोबेबिलिटी की स्टडी कर रहे हैं। इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो वी लर्न अबाउट द बेसिक्स ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी. In this video also we will continue the same topic, that is probability, and we will learn some problems based on it. First problem is, in a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको गिवन है किसी बैट्सवुमैन ने 30 बॉल्स को प्ले किया, उसमें से 6 टाइम्स बाउंड्री को हिट किया। हमें इस बात की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है कि उसने बाउंड्री को हिट नहीं किया। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स प्लेड 30, number of times she hit the boundary equals 6. Number of times she did not hit the boundary is 30 minus 6, that is 24. We have the formula that probability equals number of tries in which the event happened upon total number of tries. Required probability means इस बात की प्रोबेबिलिटी उसने बाउंड्री को हिट नहीं किया। शी डिड नॉट हिट द बाउंड्री 24 टाइम्स एंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स प्लेड इज 30. कैंसिल बाई 6, 6 4 24, 6 5 30. So the required probability is 4/5. Now next question. (1,500) families with 2 children were selected randomly, and the following data were recorded: number of girls in a family and number of families. Number of girls in a family is 2, and such families are 475. The number of families having 1 girl is 814. The number of families having no girl, 0 girl, are 211. Compute the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls, 1 girl, and no girl. Solution. Total number of families or 1500. Formula we have is probability equals number of tries in which the event happened upon total number of tries. First part, probability of two girls. Number of families having two girls are 475 upon total number of families are 1500. You can cancel this numerator and denominator by 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 5s are 25. Again by 5. It comes 19 upon 60. Second part, P, one girl. Number of families having one girl are 814 and total number of families are 1500. Cancel by 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. 407 upon 750. Third part, P, no girl. The number of families having no girl, that is 0 girl, are 211 and the total number of families are we have our answer says 19 upon 60, 407 upon 750 and 211 upon 1500. We take one more question. Three coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequency of different outcomes. Outcomes are 3 heads, 2 heads, 1 head and no head. And their frequencies are 23, 72, 77 and 28. If the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed, again compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. Solution: total number of tries are, see, 3 coins are tossed 200 times. So the total number of tries are 200. We have the formula that probability equals number of tries in which the event happened upon total number of tries. Probability of getting two heads. Two heads came 72 times upon total number of ties is 200. You can cancel them. Cancel them by 2. We have 36 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. You can cancel them by 4 also. 4 9s and 4 25s. Finally, our answer is 9 upon 25. Now we take one more question. That is to know the opinion of the students about the subject statistics. A survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. Opinion and the number of students. Number of students like statistics are 135 and the number of students who dislike statistics is 65. Find the probability that a student chosen at random, first part, likes statistics, second part, does not like it. Solution: total number of students 200. First we write the formula, that is probability equals number of ties in which the event happened upon total number of ties. First part, probability of a student who likes statistics. Number of students who like statistics is 135 upon total number of students is 200. You can cancel them by 5. Finally, it is 27 upon 40. Second part, P does not like statistics. Number of students who do not like statistics is 65 upon total number of students 200, cancel by 5, that is 13 upon 40. Okay, now we take one more question. That is 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contained the following weights of flour in kg: 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5.00, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07, 5.00. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. So total number of bags were 11. Total number of bags are 11. Formula is probability equals number of tries in which the event happened upon total number of tries. Now the required probability, आपको देखना है कि 5 kg मोर देन 5 kg फ्लोर वाले कितनी वैल्यूज आपके पास हैं. मोर देन 5 kg है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो 7 upon total number of bags 11. The required probability is 7 upon 11. So okay, that's all for this video. We'll continue the same topic, that is probability, in our next video also. You can solve some more problems given in the PDF attached in the description box. Thank you.